Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen where I'm always creating beautiful plates. So today I'm trying to make the grinder sandwich. I'm going to use this French bread with garlic and herbs, and you can get it from Walmart for $1.24. And let's get started. Let's go in with this honey smoked ham. Now let's go in with this honey smoked turkey. Now let's go in with this mesquite turkey. Now let's go in with this American and provolone cheese. Now what you want to do is just slide it in the oven. I got my oven on high heat and I'm just going to keep it in there for about 5 minutes while I make the grinder. Sweet peppers, purple onions, pickles, Parmesan cheese, oregano and Italian, garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, red wine vinegar, mayo. Now mix it up. Now add some of your lettuce. This is how my mixture looks. And here's my secret. I like to add Sriracha mayo. Now that your sandwich is done, go ahead and cut up some tomatoes and add those. Now that you added your tomatoes, go ahead and add your grinder mix. Now let me show you two things that are very imperative for this sandwich. Aluminum foil, parchment paper. Now let's roll this baby up. Place your foil down. And place your parchment paper down. But leave it like this. This the best way, okay? Let's tightly roll. This what you looking for right here. You see that sandwich? Y'all, that looks amazing. Add you some salt and vinegar chips and then cacao. It's all good. TikTok made me do it.